In this episode, we're going to finally get around to installing lights in our rear steel bumper.
And we'll show you our solution for aiming them.
This is Wanderlust Overland.
Where the heck are we?
This can't be right.
I don't know why car manufacturers can't make reverse lights that light up where you're reversing to.
I think they're just meant to alert other drivers that you're backing up.
Well, that's stupid. We got our lights from our friends at HID Kit Pros. They're incredibly knowledgeable about lighting and they always come through for us.
We simply told them what we were using them for, the size of the opening they were going into, and that we didn't want to spend a fortune on them.
They recommended these. Far more reliable than the cheap knockoffs you can get on Amazon, but still priced low enough where it won't eat up our entire build budget.
And the money that we saved, we could put towards more important things, like fancy color-changing rock lights.
Stay tuned for that episode. If this is your first time watching one of our videos and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell if you want to be notified.
And this is where we'll be putting them. But as you can see, when you put a level on it, it's actually pointing up a little bit.
Which is fine if you want to blind the jackass that's tailgating you, but not so good if you're trying to see where you're backing up to.
We have a perfect, simple solution to this. We cut angled shims out of some ABS plastic that we had laying around. Just slip them behind.
Now they'll be pointing at what we need to see.
Well, lucky for us, the back side of our steel bumper from CBI Offroad has got excellent access to the back of the lights, which makes the wiring them up a breeze.
Instead of tying into our reverse light wiring, we decided to put them on a separate switch so we can use them as work lights too. We have a lot of lighting upgrades and installs planned for future episodes.
Like fog lights, low beams, and let's not forget the rock lights.
Far more reliable than the cheap. We have a lot of lighting installs and upgrades. I almost had it. We have a lot of.
What do we have a lot of?